What's up, everybody? Welcome to a special episode sponsored by Pornhub.
阿姨，为什么回来中国？因为已经2年都没有回来了，所以咯，回来的心情迫不及待。
一个勇者。I'm actually been around this place for many times in the past several weeks to the Jinglingdong Road for the musical shop. Oh, and also this hat and this clothes, it's not sponsored by Pornhub, but because it is the fashion week of Shanghai, so you'll be able to see a lot of people wearing strange clothes, as well as a lot of people pointing at them and shooting with strange cameras. Yeah, right behind me is going to be our restaurant of the day. That's going to be the lunch someone special reserved for us all the way on the Weibo, so thank you so much for reserving the restaurant. This restaurant here is very famous for the traditional type of Shanghai food, so we're gonna go to taste it out. 硬菜 in English is probably like hardcore.
它确实也很硬。
啊，这是毛蟹年糕。Yeah, right over there is the most famous tourist spot of the whole Shanghai. What is so called the Bond? And this tourist from America. Now it's with me in this Pornhub producer group. No, I take it back. There's still tons of people here, though it is not a holiday. A popular place to check in for the view of the city. This is a typical tourist who's obviously behind me out there.
There we go.
There we go. Yep, a happy tourist. Thumbs up for that. Dance.
蹦迪吗
Sun Devil. Yeah, now all these people are unleashed and getting to the store, so yeah, nice.
我们要怎么打车去？
Having a little bit fun, just look like some art pieces instead of just cold ass sunglasses. I absolutely don't get it about this design, but pretty dope. The fucking scary shit I thought that was from Harry Potter. That is so dope. Yep, now we're heading to the stand-up comedy for tonight's show. Yep, so that is going to be the stand-up comedy. Thumbs up for that. Still not quite sure how the concept is going to be, but it does look pretty promising. It does look like they're gonna remodel the whole of this place into a fashion trend concept stuff, whatever the mixture it is.
Leo， 如果这个不好看的话，就是你的锅。
Yeah, this is called Comedy Union. Yep, so showtime. Nice work, fun, and love being appreciated. Thanks for the poo. Thanks for the poo. Thanks for the poo. Thanks for the poo. Thanks for the poo, pal.
我们能吃吗？好像不能吃。
Yeah, all people in one. Right?
Just meet these guys. Finally,
First batch of people of the DAZ noticed this first. Brilliant work, man.
You very much.
Thank
You are a
Of course,
legend, man. You are a legend.
I am. You guys as well, man. Yeah, anytime. Yeah. Take care, guys. Unbelievable work it is. Yeah. So they say Pornhub united people. This is definitely a happy day for me, seeing so many people, different people coming all over the world, but all found this website out here, just making friends based on the same hobby. You know, really cool, really cool. Absolutely fucking love it. That's going to be our dinner for the night, I suppose. Yeah, right. We are, of course, again back to the simpler side. We are every single time. Tonight we're super pumped. Just look at that ride. The size mighty.小一手啊！
最高纪录是186。
Oh, so where's you from, man?
Taiwan.
Oh, there we go. Otherwise, you wouldn't be even knowing this brand, right? 'Cause it's like blocking here. United people, Pornhub. Not sponsored video, but yeah.
哎，看来我还是最 fashion 的，你们都不看抖音吗？哦，他们有个什么，我们一起学猫叫，一起喵喵喵喵。啊，那个，我听过这个。麻烦一样，太洗脑了。我知道长什么样，我也知道。我知道腿很长。
Fashion model, and fashion model. Hopefully I can get a ticket for next year. See ya.
拜，有可能明天见。
明天见。
拜拜。
刚才没举很脚，再来一遍。谢谢啊。
走啦，拜拜。走路回家小心哦。
哦。
爱你哦。好了。我们到家给你发短信。
拜拜。
拜拜。有事打学姐。
OK， 没他电话，学姐打我一下。
微信好啊。
好的，拜拜。
拜拜。
注意安全啊，看门，拜拜。I think for like a self-content creator like us, the two biggest challenges that we facing all the time is first, which is the most important one, is how to be creative, how to always bring that kind of innovation inside of a program, how to differ yourself apart from all the others, because there are so many people doing the same work, and it is going to be tremendously hard to different yourself, to the positioning, the content, the idea, the spirit, the concept. And second part is how to keep doing what you truly love, even when there's no one listening to you. These kind of jobs probably not gonna make you rich. No one's paying to do these. But so how to always keep up in your dream? It is gonna be hard. It is going to be so hard because they're probably even standing in the way of you and your normal daily work, which is the work that you're getting paid. How to balance them, how to shop yourself, how to not give up on your dreams is the most important thing. So I hope you guys all get successful on whatever the stuff you guys feel passionate about.